Niradare made from garlic chives isn't just delicious but also a natural energy booster. I always pair it with pork and tofu to stay healthy all summer long. Let's get started. Cut off a small portion of the tough bottom part of the garlic chives and chop them finely. Garlic chives are a type of allium with a strong garlic-like scent and with flat leaves. Make sure to chop them nice and fine, and once chopped, transfer to the heat-proof container. Next, we are going to heat our sesame oil until it's really hot. You know it's ready when you see the smoke coming out. When the oil is hot and smoking, carefully pour it over to the garlic chives. This will cook them immediately and add a wonderful smoky aroma to the sauce. This step will really take your garlic chive sauce to the next level. Now give it a nice quick stir and then add sugar, vinegar, and soy sauce, and ground sesame seed and chili flakes. Mix everything together. Let the mixture cool to the room temperature, and that's it. Your garlic chive sauce is done. This versatile sauce can be poured over boiled pork shabu-shabu and grilled atsage, that is deep-fried tofu, and cooked and toned eggplant or pan-fried dumplings. It makes everything so delicious. The sauce can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!